This program is designed for athletes engaged in a competitive athletic season. Our focus here is on maintenance, allowing the athlete to remain as close to peak performance as possible for the duration of a season. We aim to keep as much of our hard-earned gains from the off-season as possible, while also keeping the body healthy and resistant to injury during the rigors of competition. Within the 2 weight training days in any given week, there is a guided warm-up.
I'm going to drop my elbow and then I'm going to twist toward that.
Then we work peak power output and strength maintenance through our core barbell lifts. We supplement with strength capacity, unilateral work, push-pull, etc. across numerous movement planes and targeted injury prevention work.
On one leg with an external loaded object held in one hand. What we'll do is find ourselves on a single leg, hinging forward, avoiding any rotation. The shoulders through that upper back by keeping the elbow extended.
The active recovery session is a low-intensity, lightweight workout designed to spur recovery after a grueling competition or prime the engine before another. The mobility session is meant as something of a physical and mental reset. It is 100% light movement and guided mobility work, great for recovery after a big game or as gentle prep for an upcoming competition.
So this is our modified pigeon pose, and we're looking for 30 seconds on each side.
This program is suggested for any athlete who has had a full education in movement and strength training and is looking to maintain their performance throughout the rigors of their season.